Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. The Black Friday preview sale is going on now, and it ends tomorrow. It says get hundreds of Black Friday deals now, so all we're going to do is click on early Black Friday deals right on the home page. Here on this page on the left, you will see the Black Friday ad is here. So if you want to take a look at the Black Friday ad, you can go ahead and just click on that. So right under that it says Black Friday deals by category. The first circle is electronics, and the last one is all Black Friday preview sale. Right under that it says Black Friday electronics, and that's what we're going to look at today. And we're going to click on shop all. So they have the Beat Solo 3 for $130 and Saturday. Polaroid 32-inch basic LED TV for $70. Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 camera for $50, and under that they have the Fujifilm Instax Mini Instant Film Twin Pack for $15. Right next to that they have the TCL 55-inch Roku 4K for $280. Next they have the TCL 65-inch Roku for $400. On the right of that they have the TCL 40-inch Smart LED Roku TV for $170. The next good deal is the 50-inch Roku 4K for $250. And we're going to click on the next page. Here on this page they have the Bose SoundSport Free True Wireless Earbuds for $170. Samsung 65-inch Smart 4K for $600. And right next to that a Nikon D3500 bundle with bag for $400. They have the TCL soundbar with subwoofer for $100. Today we only covered Black Friday electronics, but they also have Black Friday toy sports outdoors, kitchen appliances, bedding and bath, floor care, beauty and personal care, health, and baby. And all you have to do is go to Target.com, and this will be right on the homepage. And remember, it ends tomorrow, and you can view it easier by downloading the Target app. Before I end this video, I want to thank everyone who has supported this channel by liking and subscribing. Thanks everyone for watching this video. I'll catch you guys next time.